Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Buick Cascada. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, dual power mirrors, interval wipers. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated seats, heated steering wheel, OnStar Communication System, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tilt steering wheel, climate control, leather interior. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. Come see the car for yourself.